CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.5. Given a scenario, install and configure motherboards, central processing units, and add-on cards. Motherboard Form Factors. As a refresher, a motherboard is the main circuit board in a computing device that connects and allows communication between all the other components. Another way of describing it is as the backbone that ties a computer's hardware together. Without the motherboard, none of the components could interact. It sits at the heart of the system, and every other component must be compatible with it. Motherboards come in different physical sizes and layouts, known as form factors. The form factor determines the board's dimensions, mounting points, power connections, and overall layout. For the exam, you should understand 3 common desktop motherboard form factors. These are the ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX form factors. Let's begin with ATX, which stands for Advanced Technology Extended. ATX motherboards are the most widely adopted standard in desktop systems. They are larger in size and provide ample space for components and connectors. Because of their larger dimensions, ATX boards typically support multiple PCIe expansion slots, allowing for additional graphics cards, network adapters, and other add-on cards. ATX motherboards commonly include 4 or more DIMM slots for RAM, enabling higher memory capacity. They also provide multiple SATA ports and numerous onboard headers for USB connections, cooling fans, and front panel connectors. Their size makes them well-suited for full-tower and mid-tower desktop cases where expandability and performance are priorities. Next, we have Micro ATX. Micro ATX is a smaller version of the ATX form factor. It maintains many of the same features but in a more compact design. Micro ATX boards typically offer fewer PCIe expansion slots than full ATX boards, but still provide enough flexibility for most standard desktop configurations. In many cases, Micro ATX boards include 2 to 4 DIMM slots and a reduced number of expansion slots compared to ATX. They are commonly used in mid-size systems where space savings are desired without significantly limiting performance or upgrade potential. Micro ATX strikes a practical balance between size and expandability. Finally, we have ITX, which is short for Information Technology Extended. ITX motherboards are designed for compact systems where minimizing space is the primary concern. Because of their smaller footprint, ITX motherboards typically include a single PCIe expansion slot and often 2 DIMM slots for memory. While ITX motherboards offer limited expansion compared to ATX and Micro ATX, they can still support modern processors, solid-state drives, and high-speed memory. They are commonly used in small form factor builds where compact design is more important than expandability. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.